Yeah, so thousands or if not millions of persons across the globe use the OBS screen recording software to record their laptop screen. Now, sometimes they encounter the issue of the pause button not displaying here. It's missing. It could be a system malfunctioning. And to fix that issue, this situation also happened to me, so I found a way out. So if you encounter such challenge, what do? You need to go to settings and change the settings. So let me stop this for now. So what you have to do, just go to settings. Well, once the settings dialog box opens, hover your cursor to output. So you want to change the output from advanced to simple. That's it. So you click on apply and you click on OK. Now let's check it out. Start recording. I'll click on start recording. Now you can see that the pause button is now out. Very important tool. Yeah, so that's how you can do it. Now also note that you can also use the hotkeys. You can use the keyboard for that setting as well, the pause settings or different settings in OBS. So sorry, I clicked on settings. Now remember, we went through output and we changed that from advanced to simple here. Now to get the hotkeys for the different buttons in for the different settings in OBS, click on hotkeys, and these are the various hotkeys. Now for pause recording, the button you can use is P. You can see that P. So once you're recording with OBS, if you don't want to use the pause button here, you can just press P on your keyboard and the recording will be paused. All right, so that's how you can solve this problem. So yeah, so you want to give this video a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to others who might encounter this challenge. So just give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, smash the subscribe button. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.